Hey players, another day, another trial for the one-term, twice impeached insurrectionist, 92 times indicted, guilty SR, guilty fraudster, fake Forbester, guilty pamper, all of the above, Frumpy to the motherfucking dump, and his cracker jackbox legal team. So as we know, Frumpy to the motherfucking dump is currently in court in New York to determine the damages that he will have to pay E. Jean Carroll for defaming her. And of course, a member of his Cracker Jackbox legal team, Elena Ababa, is up to the shenanigans once again. Now, this trial is not televised, but according to the people in the courtroom, honey, Elena Ababa is trying those shenanigans that she tried before. According to them, honey, the judge has repeatedly had to admonish her for failing to follow courtroom procedures. Who would have thunk it? The one that forgot to check the damn box on the damn paper to indicate that they wanted a jury trial. And of course, if you got an attorney that doesn't know how to act accordingly, then you're also going to have a client that doesn't know how to act accordingly. So Frumpy to the motherfucking dump was also admonished by the judge. According to them, when E. Jean Carroll was testifying, Frumpy to the motherfucking dump appeared agitated throughout her testimony, and he made remarks that could have been heard by the jury. According to E. Jean Carroll's attorney, honey, Frumpy Dump was seated at the defense table and he was loudly degrading E. Jean Carroll, enough for the 9-member jury to have heard it. The judge finally said to Frumpy Dump, "I hope that I don't have to consider excluding you from the trial." And then just before the midday break, the judge said that Frumpy Dump has a right to be there. However, that right can be forfeited if he continues to be disruptive. Frumpy Dump then became animated in his disapproval, and he then said loudly, "I would love it, I would love it." Judge Kaplan then said that Frumpy Dump appeared to be unable to control himself, and Frumpy Dump told the judge, "You can't either." So Frumpy Dump was unable to control himself, being loud and denigrating E. Jean Carroll while she was on the stand, loud enough for the jury to hear. And Elena Ababa was not standing up when she was making objections. She was also continuing to object on things that had already been ruled upon, and she was also making improper speeches. So with all of that being said, of course, when they come back from break, Frumpy Dump Cracker Jackbox legal team moves to dismiss the dang judge from the case. Oh, yes, honey. When the parties returned from the break, Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jackbox legal team moved to disqualify the judge from the trial, alleging that one of E. Jean Carroll's attorneys was formerly a law clerk for him. He also cited an atmosphere of hostility in the courtroom toward them. Of course, the motion was denied. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Child, this is ridiculous and a hot boo shitty mess, but this is what they have allowed Frumpy Dump to do. He's made a mockery of the government. He's made a mockery of the justice system. He's making a mockery of the judicial system. It is absurd. I'm not surprised to see it, but players, I want to know what you think. Run them thoughts up in the comments. This is Double D Mova reporting for the Black Accurate News.